大家好，我係 Mr. Manso，而家會同大家講呢就係 S5 嘅Mastering Mathematics Exercise 15A Question 16 with the question two cards are selected successfully with the replacement from a deck of 52 playing cards. Find the number of ways to select the cards such that Part A, the first card is a heart and the second card is a spade. 首先第一個 keywords without replacement， 即係話張卡抽咗出嚟呢就沒有放回。佢問呢到底有幾多個方法啦 ，number of ways 啊，去揀咗第一張卡呢就係紅心，而第二張卡呢就係梅花嘅。大家玩個潛烏龜都知啦，一副牌就52隻，有13隻呢就係紅心 ，OK。亦都有13隻咧係梅花嘅，咁所以咧第一關咧你喺抽嘅時候咧就有13個可能性，咁我哋咪寫13咯。好啦，抽完第一次獎之後抽第二次咯，抽第二次獎咧你都有13隻嘅梅花俾你抽嘅 ，OK。咁我哋話啦，抽完第一次獎之後又要再抽第二次獎，咁咪即係過關咯，連續抽2次獎啊嘛。過關即係乘咪即係13乘13咯，等於196啊。睇埋 Part B 啦。Find the number of ways to select the card such that the first card is a queen and the second card is not a king. 抽2次卡咪即係抽2次獎咯。第一關係 queen， 咁一副牌有幾隻 queen 啊？當然係4隻啦，唔使問阿貴啦。好啦，第二張卡啊，佢話 not a king， 唔係 king 嗱，留意啦。如果我哋話喺呢啲圖裏邊呢，我哋就咁寫個 Q 咧，咪即係抽 queen 啦。如果話唔係傾呢，我哋就喺傾上高打橫一個 slash 得唔得？打橫一個間，咁就唔係傾。咁一副牌到底有幾多隻唔係傾呢？係47隻啦。點解呢？嗱，首先52隻牌裏邊呢，當然有4隻唔係傾，我哋要減4啦。但係大家唔好忽略咗喎，你喺第一關嘅時候，你已經抽走咗1隻 queen 㗎咯喎，係咪？喺沒有放回嘅情況底下，咁當然你啲隻 queen 就唔可以計啦。咁所以呢，就係42減4減1嘅，咁結果呢，就係47啦。抽2次獎，咁即係過關，過關即係乘，咁啊4乘47等於188啦。多謝大家，拜拜。